Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Fall is finally here, and we and our plants are enjoying the cooler weather.
And we want to remind all of you that fall is the best time to plant most plants in our climate. With the shorter days and the cooler temperatures, you don't have to use as much water to get your plants started. Newly planted plants will lose less moisture through their leaves in the fall, which means less stress or transplant shock.
Another benefit is that because our soil seldom freezes here, plant roots will continue to grow all through the fall and winter months. This gives them a big head start when they have to deal with next summer's intense heat.
Perennial plants and flowers get a jump on spring growth and flowering, which helps to promote early spring pollinators. Also, now is the best time to plant your cool season vegetable gardens. Just be sure to mix a fresh layer of good organic mulch like our Dr. Q's vegetable and herb mix or pay dirt planting mix along with gold dust starter fertilizer.
The plants that benefit most from being planted in the fall are the deciduous trees and shrubs that naturally go dormant in the winter. These plants include many of the fruit and shade tree varieties, as well as shrubs and vines such as crepe myrtle, wisteria, trumpet creeper, and rose of Sharon. Most of these plants have brightly colored leaves in the fall right before they drop them for the winter. They may look like they have completely stopped growing when they have lost all their leaves, but they have not. Because our soil does not freeze, their roots will continue to grow all fall and winter and be better prepared for next summer's intense heat.
The only thing that you may want to wait and plant in the spring are frost-sensitive tropical type plants that may freeze in the winter. If you do plant these in the fall, you will have to protect them from the cold winter by covering or wrapping them when temperatures are below 34 degrees. For more information about fall planting, get a free copy of our Star Notes, number 200, number 305, and number 500 at starnursery.com. While you are there, check out our weekly specials.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location to purchase your house call. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.